Hello, everybody, and welcome here to what I'm talking about today with my 3 app challenge and app smashes. I have actually come up with a very great idea I saw today actually on Pinterest with another teacher who has iPads in their classroom. Actually used 6-sided dice along with stickers of apps to actually create dice with them. And of course, I've gone the next step further. I've actually created a template to be printed out for these dice. And what you can do is then, of course, throw them. So that way you can actually choose apps for students on projects, or you can combine them into a main 3 app or app smash challenge with the apps that actually appear. So how does this be done? I will show you. So right now I'm going to show this example of exactly how these dice can work for the app smasher challenge. Now, as we can see now, is the apps actually landed right here on the front. We actually have Stick Around again, and Telegami. Now, I've actually already told my students that actually, if you actually have the same app come up more than once, you actually can use these in a different field, actually, using different one. One example might be is to create the actual puzzle in Stick Around. Once you do that, you can actually do a snapshot and then, of course, incorporate it into Telegami. Once they've explained exactly how it works, then the students can go back to Stick Around and actually complete the puzzle as done. Another example might be is actually taking Explain Everything and hooking it up with a Stick Around puzzle, and also using Sketch for annotation that might be needed. It's a wonderful, wonderful way to actually do your app smashes or app challenges. So the first thing I do is actually look for a template of one of the different dice. In this case, actually, I went over to timvandeville.com and found a lot of his Creative Kid printables where he had this 12-sided dice, as you can see. What I then did is I actually went over into PicCollage and imported the different app logos on each one and then put them on each of the number blocks to replace them. And what I did after that, of course, is I resaved the template to my drive, and then what I did is I, of course, then air printed it out, and then, of course, I snipped the white out, and, of course, assembled the dice with tape. And though I will give credit where credit could due, actually, I had a much steadier hand cut these cubes out with my librarian, so thank you so much, Robin, for helping me. And of course, you can use these for anything, for Daily 5, Math Station, project creation, tutorial instruction, group work, which is a great way by actually taking one assignment and then having them roll the dice and see which app lands and having them do a different way to present their project or assignment in all these different apps. There's almost anything you can do with them. And before I go, I want to give a big shout out to Amy Holton, who is a teacher out in Austin. She's the one who gave me this idea. Please check out her Pinterest board. She has some amazing EdTech tools and other EdTechs to follow over there. And if you need any other ideas or like to see some of my ideas coming up here in the next couple weeks, you can find me at Twitter at Ryan7Reed. You can find me on my own Pinterest board, or you can find me on my blog on WordPress at Taking Your Classroom to the Next Level on Pinterest. That's it for now, and I'll see everybody later.